going on, everybody? We're going to do a reaction to a video called Animals Are Idiots. So let's get this thing going. I think it's actually about a 10-minute video, so close to it. Let's do it.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is JazzyKills99, all caps no spaces, and welcome back to another video. Make sure to be subscribed and like the video to be entered in this month's giveaway for a $100 Amazon gift card. Now make sure to comment down below saying I subscribed so I make sure who to pick. Now, enjoy the video.
Hey, you got something to say? I love you, ma ba ba ba.
Y'all know what it is, man. That's me and my boy Money June out here. He fearless. He don't care about nothing. Yo, Money June, I'm proud of you, bro. You fearless now. Happy holidays, my boy. You eat straight out the hand now. You just like your pops. We best friends now, bro. Yeah. Yo, my boy, it's about to be Christmas, so I got you some nice kicks, bro. These some new Johns right here, Money June. Yeah, check them out. Check them out. They for you, bro. You think they fit you? You think they fit you? Yeah, check them out.
Dude, I gotta get this off film.
Oh, he'd be running. He'd be running. He wouldn't be in my RV anymore. I just saw the hand. Somebody was lifting the dog up. I was like, there's no way those balloons are doing that. Just bite her tongue off. Just right there. Bite her tongue off. It's on her nose. Oh. Oh, dude, probably hurt. That is so weird. You shouldn't even allow stuff like that on the internet. It's like a mental disorder. I've seen this. He fell in it. Oh my god. How can you be so stupid, dude? Just look where you're going. Oh, bite him. Bite him. He winked at him.
Do something, cat.
Stop. Okay. This is baby stuff. Okay. What do you think? That's the baby. That's Sadie. Sadie's gonna come home.
She's not having it.
Yeah.
She's not having it. Oh.
I know some.
Hail to the gnaw.
Up, Danny. It's peeing on you.
Dude, get up. Get up. Oh, what an idiot. You just now feel that? He told you about it, you retard.
Yes.
Oh, that dude's drunk. Drunk.
Where you hit, B? Where you hit, B?
That's crazy. Get a champ.
You gotta sell
Get
your
a champ.
That's not a beer drunk. That's a liquor drunk.
Hey, what kind of drink?
Why were they letting their dogs ride back there? He's got a rat on him. That's New York for you. Probably got a couple of them inside that jacket. Oh, get the bird out. Just had to get a bath.
Hey, Corey, I got that all on video, buddy.
What is that?
Hello! 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 Got on shit. Chilling an hour right now, man. We vibing.
Where'd that dude get an owl?
So
Yeah,
now
Betty
they
picked
want
him up on the
runs
side of the
at an
road.
even
Probably
time,
hurt.
around about even time. Got there. That's definitely a highlight.
Dang.
That's what's known as a teaser.
This is like a little morning ritual with these guys.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
my God.
There we go.
There's the morning ritual. Gotta love that one. She just said, hey, pull my finger.
Oh. I'll be out of there. You know that stinks.
You are kidding. It smells ripe in here now. Let me tell you, that is so funny.
Oh, bless. Oh, baby.
Stuck in his nose, or was it doing that? Well, you guys tell me what you thought about that. What you thought about all those crazy animals. You guys go down and leave it a comment in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, share. Tell me what you guys thought about the video. Thanks, guys.